No heat, the furnace ain't working.
There's something weird happened last night. The radio turned on like randomly with the music on. It freaked me out.
No way.
Yeah, there was something with the power that kicked or something. I came down and then I thought I heard it was going like that thing up there.
Yes, it was.
But then I heard it go woof. At one point.
Well, that sounds like you heard the motor making a bunch of noise?
I heard it go sound like something was like a transformer going
That's what it's doing now.
So the motor might be hooked because that's the only moving part, right?
Yes.
You got the fan in there. And if it doesn't prove air, the gas won't burn, right?
I thought it was just you were trying to freeze me out or something, Mike. Hey?
No.
What do you think, Mike? You're cold, eh, Lincoln?
Let me get up here and I got my platform.
Nice.
Is it high enough?
Come on. Okay, you want a screwdriver? Shit that moves easy. Okay. I'm gonna go hit the switch.
Hit the switch. I need a higher ladder. I got one outside of it. Something in here.
Is the gas frozen?
Wouldn't make sense.
Like it's not the fan. Blair.
So it's transformer controls?
I know.
Because it didn't do it all night. I heard it once, and then it did the whoosh thing, and then I went to bed. I was like, okay, it should be fine.
I heard a big vibrating noise when I got out of my vehicle last night. I figured it must be coming from his shop because it sounded like a loose blade on something turning around. But that's not the problem with this. I mean,
Well, we need heat, right?
Yeah.
got a Herman Nelson here?
No, but is the other furnace working?
Yeah, it is.
Well, it'll keep it so things don't freeze in here.
Yeah, like us.
Yeah, but it's not gonna be, I don't think we'll be spraying no paint.
Oh man. Well, I could put a Herman Nelson in the booth.
Well, yeah, it'll kill us. You can't run those.
Yeah, it would explode.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna be calling the what, the gas guy?
Yeah, the furnace dude, HVAC.
Yeah.
I hope he didn't leave for Vancouver.
Rusty,
Frank,
what's going on, buddy?
my furnace is down.
Oh man, dude, I'm telling you right now, me too. I stayed home last night. I'm fucking frozen the off here right now. Like you're leaving this morning now. Me.
Okay, well, you're busy. Who should I? Okay, you know the big one we hung up in the corner of the shop.
Yeah.
Like you turn it on and it makes a hum like a transformer. But we climbed up. I don't think it's the fan. It's something right in where the gas goes on. It just goes and nothing happens.
Okay, that's natural gas on there, yeah.
Yeah.
It is too, yeah. So that's the furnace that's down. What about the one in the other room?
Yeah, it's still working. We got a fan blowing the heat in. It's working.
Maybe I'll see if I send one of the guys up there.
Tell him he needs a 20-foot ladder. I got one.
You got one there?
Yeah, I got one. Yeah, dude. We got the big giant one. Yeah, step ladder.
Hey,
Yeah.
I'll see if Dean can go up there.
Okay, yeah, because I mean, I don't know what the it is. We thought it was the fan, but it's not coming from the fan. It's coming from where the gas comes in. What are we going to do today, Blair?
Well, if I had some insulated coveralls, I could go spray the box liner on the inner fenders.
I got coveralls.
They're not insulated.
This
I guess we call it a day on a lack of interest.
could do that.
No,
Yeah.
we can't do that.
Yeah, well, yeah, we could. I'm all for it.
No.
I got to finish cleaning. Connor's coming out today.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Can you clean your upper lip because you got cream on it?
See, we got to clean today.
There you go.
As long as it looks like cream. Anyway, we'll see. Blair figures we can get some stuff done. I can finish cleaning. We've got to get those toolboxes turned sideways. You know, we could actually...
Do you have anything I could weld?
Not unless we get another car in the shop. Because you know what
What?
Well, Connor's got to do some work on his car, but I don't think he's doing it today. I was just trying to figure out how we could get his car up on the hoist without taking it outside, and we can't.
No, he
But we
won't.
could slide it over here.
Oh, man. In 7 minutes, right?
Yeah. Well, that's,
Yeah. No thanks.
I'll do it by myself in 10.
Oh, yeah?
Okay. Connor's going to get his toolbox up here. Well, hopefully if he gets his new house, he'll be taking his car out of here, taking his boat out of here, taking his sled deck out of here. Supposed to come and work on his mom's car. I'm gonna beat that kid. Except he probably hurt me. Is it cold out there, kid?
No, it's summer. It's only minus 29.
How's it going? Why do you got your shades on?
Because it's sunny out.
Is it?
Oh, it is over on the highway. It's not here. Here you're in the dark little hole of nothingness.
I know.
Jesus, man.
Look at the room you have.
Yeah, look at the room you have. Look at the 5 square feet of shop you get to use.
But it's stuff we're working on, actually, instead of old motors and crap. And look over
Look,
there, man.
Look, hey,
I see that.
Keep coming. Look.
Did you guys hire someone or something?
Yeah.
You did.
Done it all.
Wow. It's actually pretty clean here.
There's almost a whole bay here.
I know.
Oh, you just wait. Now we can shove another car in.
That's exactly what he said.
Yeah.
Let's put another car
Let's
in.
put another car in here.
Well, you get yours out of here. I wouldn't have
gotta
to.
work on it.
I know.
Good. Connor, you're brave. I can't believe you have this thing in here.
Where else is it gonna sit?
That's heated and free storage.
True enough.
Yeah.
I know there's cheap storage, dude.
Yeah, but it's not heated.
True enough. Doesn't matter if it's heated or not.
Connor, let's grab some gloves. Let's go grab that ladder. Frank's coming. We'll go and grab the ladder.
Hey,
so we
have
can
fun.
up there.
Get some heat.
Okay.
So,
You want me to go outside?
Yeah.
I'll stop in maybe.
I think that one will reach Connor. Oh, there's the big one. What are you talking about?
What?
That one.
Oh, it's.
You didn't see that one. See that one has the thing at 12 feet, Connor. That bench folds down and there's a stand at 12 feet. Okay, watch the T-bird. Okay,
Throw things across the T-bird?
no. So let's tip it this way.
Just wait.
Matt, you didn't see that one. You are. How have you managed to live this long, Matt? When this guy didn't see that ladder. Okay. Okay.
I think.
Okay, it's heavy. I got it in there myself. Okay.
Here, come through here. Move these seats. Just move these seats. Swing. Why is everyone grunting so much? Whoa! Stop, just stop. Don't move. Just don't move. No, just don't move.
We're good. We're good. Okay, let me move this one out of the way. See, this one has the stand where the top. Look at the chair. Wait a second. Hang on. Now, Matt went over the shop and he didn't see that one.
Just open? Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, yeah.
That ladder's $1,500.
Lift a bit.
And what's it rated for? 375. Said I want them Avery proof, so they're 375 pounds. Oh yeah. Look how wide that thing is. Okay. Okay, Connor, climb up there. Flip it down and see if you can reach the back. And then we'll
But just think, you're gonna wreck this ladder before you even use it.
I want to turn it on and see if you can tell what the noise is. Now we should drag it back a couple feet. See, you can stand on that. Why don't we drag it back a couple feet?
Just wait.
Cool, eh? Why don't we drag it back a couple feet? It's right here. I'll turn it on and tell me where the noise is coming from.
You ready, Connor?
Yep. Okay, hold up.
It's not coming from the fan.
No.
No. That's what I'm saying. Let's move it back 2 feet.
Oh yeah, this is the inspection side.
Is it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, safety first, kid. We'll just move it back 2 feet and it'll be perfect.
Blow gun?
This is the shakiest ladder I've ever been on.
Yeah, but it's good for 400 pounds. There?
Nope, right there.
Isn't that what it says? 375 pounds?
I need a screwdriver.
What size?
Hold on. Maybe not.
I can't believe I missed that.
I can't believe you missed it either.
Yeah, Phillips.
Phillips?
Oh, look, it's got a little tool holder up here.
It's not a Phillips. That's a Robertson.
Starfish. Star. Yeah.
Give me a good one. Give me one of my snap-ons. Medium size? Oh, yes, there we go. We're right. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful tools. Look, this one's never been used.
Ooh, nice one.
Throw them right at the face. So we turn the power. Power is off, Connor.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, the thermostat's on.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
No, the furnace power's off. Right?
Yeah, but I can take my meter up there and see if it's actually.
Oh, yeah, I wonder why it doesn't work.
Why?
You want a blower?
Can I come up there and see?
Fixed it. I need a. Oh, I got one.
Connor, can you blow it out?
No, just, it's fixed. Give me 2 seconds. Here, get me a socket that fits this. Here. And don't lose this, I need it back.
5/16 1/4 inch.
Oh fuck, I think it's stripped out.
What?
It did strip out. Okay, pass me a flathead.
What stripped out?
That. Pass me a flathead. As well.
Fair, medium, small? Here,
Turn the, hold on, just before you do anything.
here.
Turn the furnace on.
And
For a
the,
sec.
and the radio off, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, turn it off?
Okay, so do we need Frank here or not?
No. Maybe.
What? Okay.
Ooh, what's that? That's what I was hearing last night.
Okay, so there's one of the screws in this fan motor stripped out.
Oh,
And now the shaft is hitting the body.
so you need a bigger one.
Either we need a bigger screw than that one, something with bigger thread on it, because it looks like, here, throw it back.
Or can we drill it and put a nut in the bolt?
Maybe.
3 in a row, Mike.
Let's see if we're throwing dynamite like that.
No.
Yeah.
I want to see that.
Throw it right at the guy's face, you never miss.
You going?
What? Yeah, wait.
Like two
Oh no,
hours
it's not stripped.
5/16. Frank's here.
Okay. Look at that.
Yeah, I got it.
Missing one bolt. As soon as that gets tightened on there, furnace is fixed.
He said his nose, that was,
Hold on, here's where we have our problem. I
Okay.
think I'm gonna need a bolt.
Okay, 1/4 inch.
Just wait here. Let me get this out of here.
Hang on. Blair, how long? 1 inch?
Just hold on.
I'll just grab us a 1/4 inch, Blair. Bolt. nut lock washer.
Point this at him. I'm sure I'll go do something upstairs.
Yeah, 1/4 inch nylock could work with a washer, 2 washers.
So
Yeah.
if this fan doesn't run, it can't pull vacuum to open the regulator. Same way
Okay,
a
it's
house
something like a
furnace works.
carburetor.
Just same with the house furnace. House
Yeah.
furnace is the same way. They have a safety built in, so if the exhaust fan isn't running,
Then the
the
furnace,
gas can't turn on.
so it doesn't gas you to death.
So you don't light the thing on fire and not
Explode
have
it.
any. Yeah. So here, give me your airline.
Hang on.
Top of my to buy list on my wall is a CO2 monitor.
Yes.
Here, catch spare parts.
Hang on.
Here.
Oh.
Okay. Before I go anywhere, turn the heat on.
Okay, hang on.